So, what if I told you that pretty much everything you've learned about trading might be, well, kind of backward? Today, we're going to peek inside the playbook of a world-class scalper, Fabio Valentino, to uncover the one mental shift that separates the absolute pros from everyone else.
This is the big question, right? The one that keeps so many people up at night. You follow the rules, you see what looks like a perfect setup, you take the trade, and boom, you get stopped out. Again, it's this soul-crushing cycle. So what is the one fundamental mistake that almost everyone seems to be making?
Well, according to Fabio Valentino, a top-ranked future scalper, the answer is actually brutally simple. He says it right here. You are not reading what the market is saying. You are trying to predict the market. That's it. The average trader is basically playing a guessing game, trying to be a fortune teller. The pro? They're just reading what's happening right here, right now.
So, here's our game plan. First, we're going to really dig into this problem that plagues 90% of traders. Then, we'll pull back the curtain and show you how to actually see inside the market. After that, we'll break down Fabio's two go-to trading models, step by step. And finally, we'll reveal the, you might say, unfair edge that makes this whole thing tick.
Okay, so let's get right into it. Most of us, when we start out, we learn these simple price action patterns. A break of structure, maybe a head and shoulders, and we try to just slap them onto any chart at any time. But here's the thing. Without understanding the market's context, its mood, we're basically trading with a blindfold on.
And this really shows the huge mental shift. The common trader is always trying to predict. They're asking, where's the market going to go? The expert trader, though, is trying to read. They're asking, what is the market doing right now? They use volume to see the story behind the price candles, and they just wait for the market to tell them what it wants to do. And here is the brutal, honest truth. According to Fabio, when the market is just chopping sideways in what's called a fair value area, where buyers and sellers are pretty much in agreement on price, a breakout only has about a 30% chance of actually working out. That's it. This is exactly why so many traders get chewed up and spit out, facing a long, frustrating string of stop losses.
So how in the world do we escape that 30% trap? Well, we have to completely change the way we look at the market. And this isn't about finding some magical new indicator. No, this is a total paradigm shift in understanding what the market even is.
And the key is something called auction market theory. Just think of the market like a giant continuous auction, because that's what it is. It's always flowing between two states. Periods of balance, where things are calm and trading is efficient, and periods of imbalance, where things get messy and directional. It's always seeking that equilibrium.
And those two states are what matter. A balanced market is that consolidating fair value area. For a trend trader, this is the danger zone. Your job here? Seriously, sit on your hands. But an imbalanced market, that's when one side, buyers or sellers, takes control. The market starts trending looking for a new fair value area. That's your high probability zone. That's where you hunt.
Now get this. Fabio says that by making just one simple change, just waiting for the market to prove it's in a state of imbalance before you even start looking for a trend trade, you can potentially boost your win rate by 20 to 30%. Instantly. I mean, that's a total game changer, right?
All right, let's get into the good stuff, the actual strategy. This is Fabio's first model, and you can think of it like a sniper rifle. It's designed for one thing, to be used in those high-probability, imbalanced markets where the price is clearly going somewhere.
The model is really just three simple steps. First, location. You confirm the market is moving, it's out of balance. Step 2, level. You use a volume profile to find an area within that move where very little trading happened. This is a weak spot and a high probability place for price to react. And finally, step 3 is the trigger. You wait to literally see big, aggressive trades. They show up as big bubbles on an order flow chart, confirming your direction.
Now, this model works best during the high volatility New York session. The whole goal is to just ride that strong momentum. But check out the risk management. This is key. Your stop loss doesn't go at the top or bottom of the swing. No, it goes just beyond where you saw that big aggression on the order flow. This gives you a much tighter stop and a way better risk-to-reward ratio. And your target? The point of control from the last consolidation, which acts like a magnet for price.
Okay, but what about all that other time, when the market is just chopping around in balance? Well, Fabio's got a model for that too, and this one is a brilliant counterpunch. It's designed specifically to take advantage of that choppy price action that just destroys most trend-following traders.
This one is just so beautifully counterintuitive.
Step 1, you find a market that's stuck in a range. Step 2, you watch it break out and you do absolutely nothing. This is the hardest part, for sure. You're waiting for that breakout to fail, for the price to get sucked back into the range. That's your signal. Then you look to enter on the pullback towards that failed breakout area.
And this table just lays it all out so clearly. You've got Model 1 for imbalanced, trending markets, usually during the New York session, where you're trying to follow momentum. And you've got Model 2 for balanced consolidating markets, maybe during the London session or quiet summer months, where you're trading against the failed move, back to fair value. Two different tools for two different jobs.
So we have these two models for two totally different market types. But what's the secret sauce? What's the engine that's powering all of this? Well, it's like having a pair of X-ray glasses. It's the ability to see what most traders can't see, the actual buy and sell orders hitting the market in real time.
You see, most strategies that are based on simple price patterns suffer from something called edge decay. That means as market conditions change, as volatility goes up or down, the patterns just stop working as well. But Fabio's argument is that since order flow is the literal DNA of the market, it's the raw buying and selling, its edge doesn't decay. It's a constant truth.
And this is the real advantage. Order flow gives you objectivity. You're not guessing, you're seeing the real volume. It forces discipline on you. It helps remove emotion, because if the setup isn't there, there's no trade to take. And maybe most importantly, it gives you a glimpse into the future. It's a leading source of information, showing you the pressure building up before the price actually makes its big move.
And this final quote from Fabio just brings it all together perfectly. When you have all the right ingredients, you've identified the right direction, the right location, and you see that aggression, you're not in the prediction business anymore. Your ability to predict is 0, but your ability to read is 100.
So I guess the final question is really for you. Take a hard look at how you trade. Are you constantly trying to be a fortune teller, trying to predict where the market is going to go next, or are you learning the skill of simply reading what it's telling you right now? Because the answer to that one question, that could be the difference between being in the 90% and joining the 1%.